Hello guys and good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. We're in project FK8 right now, and as you can see, I have tires at the back because today we're gonna be switching out the AO52 tires of the FK8, and we're also gonna be putting the reverse stagger T37 Saga time attack set on the Type R. We're here in Drive Plus right now, and we're just waiting for the line to finish. So yeah. So here's the 235 guys, 235 40 18 on the 8.5 wheel, and this is the 265 35 18 on the 9.5 wheel.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm finally back home. Sorry hindi ko na video yung car kanina kasi nagmamadali na ako pa uwi. And here is what the car looks like right now with the reverse staggered setup. Here are the 9.5 width PE37s on the front. On the back, it's the 8.5 width. So the offset of this is plus 35 with a 235 40 tire. And then the fronts are 18 by 9.5 plus 44 with a 265 35. So guys, ayan na yung FK8. Now we move to project GR Yaris. So just some quick updates sa project GR Yaris. My dad bought this from Lazada, and ito yung para sa car horn so that you don't have to splice. It's a plug and play thing.
Parang 280 lang ako.
Yeah, so 280 pesos for this adapter so you don't have to splice for your aftermarket car horns. Pretty cool. So right now, my dad is holding this long box. So what is it? It's the
Assembly.
Anyway guys, this is the TRD Gazoo Racing strut bar, and we're gonna be installing it today. Let's go. Oh yeah. So this is what the engine bay looks like guys without the strut bar, and as you can see, meron na siyang tatlong bolts dito. 1, 2, 3, and also on the other side. This car was designed to have a strut bar in place. So in the market ngayon, may Cusco, Tanabe, pero kami we chose this. So this is the TRD strut bar, para OEM pa rin siya. So yan guys yung instruction manual. And apparently, when you buy this TRD strut bar, hindi kasama yung mga nuts.
So, strut bar,
Washer lang, pero walang nut. So, you need the nut. Of course, yun yung ikakabit mo dito.
Size ng nut is M8. You need 3 for one side, so 6 pieces.
Yeah, so that's not included, so you have to buy that on your own. Anyway, we have that, so no problem. Now let's install this. So thank God for this Voltex wing of the FK8. Meron tayong stand. There. Kailangan nakatuck in siya sa parang foam na to. Yan. Yan. Dapat na. So itong foam is parang naka-overlap lang siya dyan. Yan. So all we need to do now is to add the nuts and screw it. So ito yung nuts natin, guys. So first, we put the washer. Sample. And 3 washers. And then we put the nut on top. So just like that, guys, we have installed the TRD Gazoo Racing strut bar. That's it for this week's vlog with the Project GR Yaris and Project FK8 Type R. Stay tuned for next week's vlog because we're gonna be doing something with the GR Yaris's paint. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe to my channel for future content. I'll see you guys next time. See ya.